Hello and welcome to another Mobus Data video. In this video we will show you how to insert SIM cards into your Samsung Galaxy J6. In order to do that, you will need a SIM tray tool. So the SIM trays in the Samsung Galaxy J6 are located on the left edge of the device. Here on the top, just simply push the SIM tray tool into this little hole and pull the tray out. Once it's out, simply place your nano SIM card into the SIM tray and push it back into the phone. Easy as that. Also, because this is a dual SIM phone, the second SIM card slot is located here, just below the first and the main SIM card slot. The procedure is pretty much the same, except for this hole here. This other slot is reserved for a microSD card, which is a storage expansion card. So you can use both your nano SIM cards and a microSD storage expansion card in this phone. Once again, simply push the tray back into the phone. And that's it. Both your SIM cards are now set up.